Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by ensuring Git is available and creating an SSH identity so authentication is seamless. First, run Git version. If present, proceed to SSH keygen t-ed 25519c with your email. Once the key is written, start the SSH agent and add the private key with SSH add. Then copy the public key text to your clipboard. You will paste it into GitHub later. This avoids repeatedly typing passwords and uses a secure key pair for terminal access. Once your public key is on GitHub, verify the link by running ssh tgit at github.com. Accept the host fingerprint if prompted. If you see a success message, you're authenticated. Next, navigate to your desired working folder and run git clone using the SSH URL from GitHub, for example, git clone git at github.com owner/repo. Git. After cloning, change into the project directory and list files. These steps establish a secure channel and give you a full local copy to work with. You will now perform the standard workflow. Edit files, run git add and git commit with a clear message, then push using git push origin branch name. To get remote updates first, run git pull rebase to integrate changes cleanly. If authentication or connection fails, make sure your private key file permissions restrict access. The SSH agent has the key loaded, and the exact public key text exists in your GitHub settings. If host key warnings appear, confirm you're connecting to the right GitHub host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.